Yo, yeah, hello and welcome. I'm gonna be doing some, stuff. So, if you don't know, I've been thinking for a long time, honestly. I wanna kinda do a proper, um, so I'm trying to do an RPG maker, right? Like dev stream type thingy. Yeah, sorry for the, silence. I'm trying to focus on editing this. This is gonna be pain, actually. Sorry for my silence again. I'm focusing on doing that. Wowie. See it? I'm just doing this. So my end goal here is to try to modify this. Which I think I'm doing a pretty good job so far. I'm not doing an amazing job, I just say pretty good. They could be doing better. I'm modifying this tile to yeah. Basically what I'm trying to do is make a normal road kinda out of the sci-fi tile. Because I am doing a So let me explain. I'm trying to do a so I'm making an RPGMaker project, right? The issue is that if I make it the way I am, the road right now is futuristic, right? I want the road to be more, because I only have the default tile sets, really. But I want the road to be kind of, how can I word this? Modern without being sci-fi futuristic. So making something more, yeah, set in a modern age, and I don't have the MZ future. Because I do not own MZ. So I'm just avoiding, yeah, there we go. No, this ain't gonna be perfect. Obviously. But in my opinion, it'll be, better than what I currently am having to deal with. I didn't know you could right-click to... no, I know I right-click. Yeah, the other... Setup, yay. Yippee. So I did know that you could right-click to do that. If I was right-clicking to erase... yeah. I apologize for the lack of much voice. I should also be doing this more carefully so I don't gotta retread it every 5 seconds, but at the same time, screw it. So I am color moding this to RGB. It can be indexed later. Yep, so Control V. Let's for now, yeah, there we go. We're just gonna use that for now for covering it up. That looks good. There we go. Sorry. Yep, so we have something more resembling a modern road. Woohoo. It's not perfect yet. There's obvious flaws. Like, well, you know what? Let's just grab this. We'll go with it as we go with it. So yeah, awesome. so now I can go here and be like, awesome. Yep, we're just modifying this road. Yeah, awesome. So yeah, apologies for my silence again. I'm just cleaning up. So I'm locked in. I lock in when I do art. I can go casual when I'm not doing art, but when I'm doing art, I gotta lock in. So yeah, I'm locking in. There we go. Awesome. Yep, I'm just having an awesome time. By having an awesome time, I mean, like, trying to make this look not terrible. I never claimed to be good. I just claim to be not terrible, which is the best I can do. Yeah, if I use this slightly darker one, it actually looks a bit better. So, yep. Now, why am I doing this? Why am I recording this video? Of all the videos I could record of me doing stuff, and, yeah. Well, the answer's really simple. I just like the RPGMaker. And since I like RPGMaker, I kind of wanted to, fix this absolute travesty of a tile. No, this tile ain't bad. This tile set isn't terrible, it's just, I want something modern, right? But I don't want something overwhelmingly modern, if that makes sense. Like, kind of want something I can middle ground a little with. That ain't so, yeah. I just did that for consistency's sake. Yeah. I'll remove that for now, and I can fix that later. Like, I know I'll have to, if I sprinkle a few dabblies of this throughout, yeah. Won't look so terrible. I'm not saying it's gonna look good, but you know what? So instead of doing what I did, I'm just gonna take this whole thing, like all of it. Control C, Control V, Shift H, just slot that in. And it ain't a perfect job at all. You know what, that looks kind of fine. Not perfect, again, but it's serviceable. Oh, can I Control C that? And then Control, uh-oh. Well, actually, it would be Shift V. There we go. That'd be what it would do when we're going down, so actually I'm gonna... Yeah. I'm just gonna take all this, Control C it, Control... No, here's what I'm gonna do. I take the middle right and go... Yeah, awesome. So I go that. I go Control C. That's when I go Control V, and then... yeah, there we go. There we go. Awesome. And then we take either side of this. See, let's just take that Control V. Right, rotate that -90 degrees. Awesome. Look at that. We uh-oh, no. Nuh-uh. me see, so Control C, Control V. -90. Woohoo. Control C, Control V. Awesome. Control C, Control V. Shift V. Grab this. Woohoo. Awesome. Oh, yeah. It's not perfect again, but it's pretty good. For now. It's a placeholder replacement, basically. I'm gonna properly do it some later time. But yeah. So, main thing I was doing this video for is to mention I'm even making an RPGMaker project, because I decided, you know what? That would be pretty darn cool. So that's what happened. And now I am RPG makering all the time. Well, not all the time, but I just finished out college, right? Well, this semester of college. I'm not, like, done with college fully yet. Okay. So you wanna know what I'm doing right now? I'm kinda like taking, let's say this color. And, yeah. I'm going to be, like, marking basically all the outline of this, so... Pretty much just doing, an outline of wherever this touches the road, so I can make my thing not in the way. Yeah, there we go. there we go. So what I was doing basically was deciding about where I should. Oh no, that stays though. I think so. Yeah. About where I should erase the road. Yeah, there we go. So basically, I don't want to have yeah, I actually want to have this road erased also, like there and there and there, yeah. There we go. So now I'm gonna make sure the road is erased right here for sure. And if I did that, I'm gonna cut this away. Uh-oh. That's still there. And that's still there. With a little mistake. Let's see. Yeah. There we go. By the way, gotta get rid of that. So yeah, I think that's okay. It's not great. Like, it could be better. There could be more that I could have done to make it look good. But yeah, I'd say that was pretty good. Oh, and I gotta go back retroactively and fix this. Uh-oh. Well, there you go. Yeah, these are placeholder fixes, basically, because, yeah. About what you'd expect. So that's been my poorly done modification to roads to make them slightly less sci-fi. It's not perfect. But I'll save this as modern outside a5.png. So let's see what modern outside.png looks like now. Well, that one pixel shift applied to all of it, so I gotta save again. There we go. I'm letting him save the dot as a as well. Yep, and there we go. So let's go plop this baby over into RPGMaker. I'll be back. I do not know how to full screen RPGMaker, I will admit. Hopefully, though. I can't. Okay, so let's get this as big as we can. Apologies for that. Yep, so we have our modern outside with everything being the same as SF outside, except the roads are like this. Because, okay, now I'm gonna switch, and you saw it for a second. Second. Yikesies. Okay. There we go. See that? So, yeah. This is the road we were kind of vibing with already. Well, vibing is a strong word. It's more like we were forced to use it. So if I turn this into modern outside, this won't, like, yeah, this will just give me the new roads. So now if I go, modern outside. Not that I'm gonna use the modern outside much. Cause yeah, I know what I can do as my next project though. So I'm probably gonna replace a tile. There's probably a tile I'm going to replace because I don't really need these sci-fi walkways on this tile set. That's what I'm probably gonna do. Actually, I can do it right now. I can create our middle of the road block. So basically the idea is, yeah, so let's go to the bottom layer actually. Let's take so I was gonna say, let's take, like, the top half, like, up to here. Well, not that. So, yeah, let's do that. Top half of layer 1. Ooh, but not that either. What we want to do is we want to get this right. We want to get it, like... Ooh, this is a toughie. There we go, perfect. So we want to get that, right? Want to copy paste that onto layer 3, and then could we just wander for a spell and live in parallel? Want it to be true to be like you, my heart sings a chorus out of tune. I could keep it to myself. It ain't a perfect block. Again, it ain't perfect. But okay, so now what I need to do is, let's just delete this layer and act like it never existed. Awesome. So now on the oh yeah, layer 2 is not visible, so here we go. That's how we create our really crappy road extension tile, as I'll call it. So now we have our road extension tile, which is awesome, awesome, it's awesome. So yeah, we have this little baby. So we save this to our modern outside, and then we can save as PNG. Yeah. So now we can go whoop-a-dooba. Did that. Yeah, awesome. So now we can make a proper road. For now, our temp road replacement assets. So what we do is we go to the layers. Okay, this is where everything's going down now. Dun 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 now. Nah, we're not doing that. What we're gonna do is use our fun little extra tile to now make a, I can do the fun little cracks in the road later. What I wanted is we can do that, so now we can properly use something that could be our sidewalk as the sidewalk. Woohoo, look at that. Incredible. I do have to check, and making sure in the tile set. Oh, by the way, I never showed you. I was using as a sprite again. As a prite. Okay, awesome. That tile does count as a... Yeah. Cool. This one... Yeah. If you're seeing what I'm doing, I'm basically switching, anyway. So basically I'm just trying to set this up so for later when I gotta adjust it, it'll be all fine and dandy. 'cause, yeah, I'm making this roadie. But now I can go Yahoo, Yahoo, Yahoo. This is how the road is supposed to go. I'll have to make the road corners, which is gonna be interesting. It'll be interesting if I make the road corners eventually, so I can have everything go perfectly. For now, though, I'll just, yeah, go like that. And go, that works fine. There we go. Awesome. Oh, I know. Roads have a certain look to them, so this isn't the perfect modern road solution, but this is basically making road solution. No. I don't know if I'll distribute this. Well, actually, we might make a little fun thing out of it. In the future, I might make more videos where I need to modify tiles. And you know what? If we get a full tile set going, that's just a fully, like, modified sci-fi outside to look more modern. I'll, give you what you want. But for now, this has been Gamer Bones Productions, making you listen to me ramble about tile sets in RPGMaker. Bye-bye.